Hey, and welcome back. Today we're talking about money mistakes. Not the obvious ones like stop buying coffee, but the real ones. The ones nobody warns you about. The ones that quietly drain your bank account while you think you're doing fine. And the scary part? Most people make all five of these. I did too. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to fix and how to fix it fast. Let's get into it. Mistake number one, living without a budget. And no, a budget doesn't mean you're broke. Most people think budgeting is only for people who struggle with money. That's completely wrong. Budgeting is just telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Here's what happens without a budget. You get paid, you pay bills, you spend on whatever feels right, and then 2 weeks later, you're checking your bank account like, where did it all go? Sound familiar? The fix is simple. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, eating out, Netflix, fun stuff. 20% goes to savings and investments. That's it. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet, just 3 categories. Start there. A free app like Mint or YNAB can automate this for you in literally 5 minutes. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Mistake number 2. Ignoring subscriptions. This one is sneaky. Really sneaky. Netflix, Spotify, gym membership you haven't used since January. That app you downloaded once and forgot about. Adobe, Amazon Prime, iCloud storage. They're all between $5 and $20 per month. Doesn't sound like much, right? Add them up. Most people are paying anywhere from $150 to $300 per month on subscriptions they barely use. That's $3,600 per year. Gone. The fix? Once a month, set a reminder right now. Go through your bank statement and cancel everything you haven't used in the last 30 days. No exceptions. You can also use an app called Rocket Money. It automatically finds and cancels your subscriptions for you. Seriously, one of the best tools for this. Link in the description. Mistake number 3. Only paying the minimum on credit cards. Okay, this one is serious. If you have a credit card and you're only paying the minimum balance every month, you are losing so much money and you probably don't even realize it. Here's how it works. Let's say you have $3,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest. If you only pay the minimum, around $60 per month, it will take you over 6 years to pay it off, and you'll pay almost $2,000 extra in interest alone. That's $2,000 for nothing. Literally nothing. The fix: always pay more than the minimum. Even an extra $50 per month makes a massive difference. Use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first, then move to the next one. If your interest rate is really high, look into balance transfer cards with 0% intro APR. It buys you time to pay it down without interest killing you. Mistake number 4? Not having an emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down. You lose your job. Medical bill shows up out of nowhere. And if you have zero savings, that one bad moment turns into months of financial stress. Most people deal with emergencies using credit cards, which leads right back to mistake number 3. It's a cycle. The fix: build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, not a regular savings account that pays you 0.01% interest. Right now, high-yield savings accounts are paying around 4 to 5% APY. That means your emergency fund is actually growing while it sits there. Start small. Even $500 is enough to begin. Automate a transfer every payday, even $25 or $50. And don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. Mistake number 5, waiting to invest. This is probably the most expensive mistake on this list, because with investing, time is literally money. Here's a simple example. If you invest $200 per month starting at age 25 at an average 8% return, by age 65 you'll have around $700,000. If you wait until 35 to start, you end up with around $300,000. Same $200 per month, 10 years later. Less than half the result. That's the power of compound interest. And every year you wait, you're leaving thousands on the table. The fix? Start now. Even with small amounts. Apps like Trading 212 or eToro let you start investing with as little as $1. Index funds are the safest and simplest starting point. You don't need to pick individual stocks. Don't wait until you feel ready. You learn by doing. All right, let's do a quick recap. Mistake 1, no budget. Fix it with the 50-30-20 rule. Mistake 2, forgotten subscriptions draining your account. Mistake 3, paying only the minimum on credit cards. Mistake 4, no emergency fund. Mistake 5, waiting too long to invest. Pick one of these today, just one. Fix it this week. Then come back for the next one. If this video helped you, subscribe. I post videos every week breaking down money in a way that actually makes sense. And drop a comment below. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Be honest, no judgment here. See you in the next one.